Many English learners have the same problem. They know words, they know sentences, but when someone asks a simple question, their mind goes quiet. How was your day? Nothing comes out. This video solves that problem. Today, you learn how to talk about your day in simple English. You only need short sentences, one sentence at a time. We will move slowly. We will follow the day. Morning, midday, later, evening, and night. You will listen. You will repeat. You will speak alone. This is how real speaking starts. Let us begin with the morning. Every day has a morning. Your morning is a good place to start. In the morning, we wake up. I wake up in the morning. I wake up at 7. Repeat after me. I wake up in the morning. I wake up at 7. Good. Now we add a feeling. In the morning, I feel tired. In the morning, I feel sleepy. Repeat. In the morning, I feel tired. In the morning, I feel sleepy. This is enough. You do not need more. Short sentences help your brain. After waking up, we get out of bed. I get out of bed. Repeat. I get out of bed. Then we do small actions. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. Repeat. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. These are simple actions. They happen every day. That is why they are easy to remember. Now we talk about food. In the morning, many people eat. I eat breakfast. Repeat. I eat breakfast. We can say what we eat. I eat eggs. I eat bread. I drink coffee. Repeat. I eat eggs. I eat bread. I drink coffee. You can change the food, but keep the sentence. I eat blank. This is how you build speaking. Now we connect actions. I wake up and wash my face. I eat breakfast and drink coffee. Repeat. I wake up and wash my face. I eat breakfast and drink coffee. You see, one idea, one breath. After breakfast, we prepare. I get ready for the day. Repeat. I get ready for the day. Some people work. Some people study. Some people stay home. All are okay. Let us talk about work. I go to work. Repeat. I go to work. We can add time. I go to work in the morning. Repeat. I go to work in the morning. We can add transport. I go to work by bus. I go to work by car. Repeat. I go to work by bus. I go to work by car. Do not worry about details. Short sentences are enough. Now let us talk about studying. I study in the morning. Repeat. I study in the morning. I study English. Repeat. I study English. You can say where. I study at home. I study at school. Repeat. I study at home. I study at school. Good. Now we move to midday. Midday is after the morning. The sun is high. We are busy. At midday, we work or study. I work in the afternoon. Repeat. I work in the afternoon. I study in the afternoon. Repeat. I study in the afternoon. We can talk about feelings. In the afternoon, I feel busy. Repeat. In the afternoon, I feel busy.
We can talk about energy. In the afternoon, I feel tired. Repeat. In the afternoon, I feel tired. That is normal. Now we talk about lunch. At midday, we eat again. I eat lunch. Repeat. I eat lunch. We can say where. I eat lunch at work. I eat lunch at home. Repeat. I eat lunch at work. I eat lunch at home. We can say with who. I eat lunch alone. I eat lunch with friends. Repeat. I eat lunch alone. I eat lunch with friends. Now we connect ideas. I work in the afternoon and eat lunch. Repeat. I work in the afternoon and eat lunch. I feel busy and tired. Repeat. I feel busy and tired. You see the pattern? Simple, clear, repeatable. Now we add a small pause action. In the afternoon, I take a break. Repeat. In the afternoon, I take a break. We can say what we do. I drink water. I drink tea. Repeat. I drink water. I drink tea. We can add feeling. After the break, I feel better. Repeat. After the break, I feel better. This is very useful English. Now let us practice together. Listen first. I wake up in the morning. I feel tired. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I work in the afternoon. I eat lunch. I feel busy. I take a break. Now repeat. I wake up in the morning. I feel tired. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I work in the afternoon. I eat lunch. I feel busy. I take a break. Good. You are speaking English. Now try with your own day. Say one sentence. What time do you wake up? Say it. What do you eat in the morning? Say it. What do you do in the afternoon? Say it. This is real practice. Do not rush. Do not add more. Short sentences are strong. We will continue with evening and night in the next part. Now we move to the evening. The evening is after work. The evening is slower. In the evening, many people go home. I go home in the evening. Repeat. I go home in the evening. We can talk about how we feel. In the evening, I feel tired. In the evening, I feel calm. Repeat. In the evening, I feel tired. In the evening, I feel calm. Both are okay. After work, we rest. I sit down. Repeat. I sit down. I rest. Repeat. I rest. We can say where. I rest at home. Repeat. I rest at home. We can say how. I rest for a short time. Repeat. I rest for a short time. Now we talk about food again. In the evening, we eat dinner. I eat dinner. Repeat. I eat dinner. We can say what we eat. I eat rice. I eat chicken. I eat vegetables. Repeat. I eat rice. I eat chicken. I eat vegetables. Do not worry about food names. The sentence is the key. Now we talk about activities. After dinner, we do simple things. I watch TV. Repeat. I watch TV. I use my phone. Repeat. I use my phone. I listen to music. Repeat. I listen to music. You can choose one. One sentence is enough. Now we talk about feelings again. After dinner, I feel relaxed. Repeat. After dinner, I feel relaxed. I feel quiet. Repeat. I feel quiet. This English is very natural. Now we connect evening actions. Listen first. I go home. I eat dinner. I watch TV. I feel relaxed. Now repeat. I go home. I eat dinner. I watch TV. I feel relaxed. Good. Now we move to the night. The night is the end of the day. At night, everything slows down. At night, I prepare for sleep. I change my clothes. Repeat.
Now we move to the night. The night is the end of the day. At night, everything slows down. At night, I prepare for sleep. I change my clothes. Repeat. I change my clothes. I wash my face. Repeat. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. Repeat. I brush my teeth. These actions are very common. Now we talk about sleep. At night, I go to bed. Repeat. At night, I go to bed. We can talk about time. I go to bed at 11. Repeat. I go to bed at 11. We can talk about feeling. At night, I feel sleepy. Repeat. At night, I feel sleepy. Now we connect the night. Listen. I go to bed. I feel sleepy. I sleep. Now repeat. I go to bed. I feel sleepy. I sleep. Very good. Now we practice the full day. Listen first. I wake up in the morning. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I work in the afternoon. I eat lunch. I take a break. I go home in the evening. I eat dinner. I relax. I go to bed at night. Now repeat one line at a time. I wake up in the morning. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I work in the afternoon. I eat lunch. I take a break. I go home in the evening. I eat dinner. I relax. I go to bed at night. You did it! You spoke about your full day. Now you try alone. Say your day out loud. Morning, midday, evening, night. Use short sentences, one sentence per idea. Remember this, you do not need long stories. You do not need perfect English. You need simple sentences. You need daily practice. This is your task. Write one sentence in the comments. Tell us about your day. Example, I wake up at 7. Or, I feel tired in the afternoon. If this video helps you, subscribe to the channel. We practice English slowly. We practice every day.